Bass boat trailer's coming over there, guys. Trying to get that trailer out, or that boat out. These guys are kind of getting ready to hit the river, I think. Boat coming, guys. Boat coming here. Boat on the way. That's the trailer for that boat coming in. Oh, what a truck. That's a pretty nice truck. I'd have left all that stuff on the boat until the boat got right by the car. Took it out of the boat right into the car. That's how I'd have done it. All right. Oh yeah, loving at the boat ramp. Oh yeah. They're going for it. Oops, darn it. This is the guy with the bass boat that broke down. He's got the trailer into the water. Whoops. Getting ready to hit the river. Hey, man. See you later. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. All right, well, okay. Oh yeah. Trying to get that bass boat on over there. They got it. Must have been this one that wouldn't start, I guess. Boy, that's a different type of a boat, isn't it? What? Boy, that looks different. Oh, he's got surfboards or something on the side of the boat there, I guess. I can't see, it's so bright, I can't hardly see over there. Bunch of people up here doing something. Yeah, yeah. I heard something. He probably did the hot foot dance a little bit. Bass boat out there. Take her home, Big Daddy. Take her home. Oh yeah. Sea-Doo coming in. Uh-oh, Sea-Doo coming in. Yeah.
Fucking weirdo. Stop recording. Fucking pervert. Hold me, you fucking pussy. Girl's ass is bored, bitch. Fuck you.
Let's see who's yelling over here. Hey, crybaby!
Hey, keep talking.
Yeah! Come on over. Come over if you want to do something about it. Big mouth. Big mouth. Yeah, come on. All right, guys, they're making it up here. Big mouth over there crying away about something. Bunch of people over there doing something. Everybody trying to get it together, get out of here, I think. Just let it go here for a second.
Oh no, he took it out, man. That was like,
Wow, we haven't had a Karen or a Darren in a long time out here. We had one today, though. I hope you guys heard them all right. It happens. People don't know how to control their emotions, you know. I guess you're trying to get this up there. I think that's the guy that was yelling, I think. I don't know. I didn't even really see him. Oh, that's a lady. I don't know. I didn't really see the guy. Boat coming around, guys. Trying to get to the trailer. Trailer in. I guess I can take this umbrella down now.
Dan, where's your pole?
it's that deep. I'm perfectly straight, so she's right for my, right for the tire.
Trying to figure out where to line the boat up. But you probably heard the lady say, "Where's the pole?" They don't know where to head to exactly. Whoops. Darn it, guys. I'm sorry. They don't know where to head to exactly.
Forward. You're in reverse. Where are you going?
Trying to straighten it up.
The guy up by the boat said, "Where you?" By the trailer said, "Where you going?" I was like, "Whoa." Just getting a run for it, I guess.
Teresa, you're in reverse. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, go forward.
Well, he's doing it. Just let him do it, you know? That's the way I'd look at it. He ought to let you do it, you know? Go way out there if you want to. I think the crybabies just left the parking lot up there. All right.
Did you see the post right there? Remember those little bubbles are coming out? See them right there?
All right, guys. Looks like he's got it. Oh. Ooh, what was that noise? Oh my.
Where? Tony's down the hill. See it? I can see it.
Oh yeah. Motor up there. Well, they might be just gonna like, I guess float it there. See how it goes down. Well, there's somebody coming this way, some lady, the one that was walking around the corner the other minute, a few minutes ago, so. All right, I think they're getting this one on here. Yeah, she's still coming. All right. Huh?
What are you recording people for?
Because I want to.
For what?
I want to.
Because you're a fucking pervert?
Because I want
Because
to.
you're a fucking pervert?
Ah.
Oh,
Ah.
you're weird.
You're a big baby.
You're weird.
Ah.
Recording
Too
people's
bad.
asses, you fucking pedophile.
Look at this lady,
You're
guys.
a fucking creep, okay? I'm
Look at
gonna
this lady.
report you to the police.
Look at her. Look at her, guys. Look at her.
Fucking weirdo.
Look at her. Look at her.
You're gonna go to jail.
Look at her.
Keep recording me, because I'm gonna turn you in.
I am.
You're fucking weird.
So are you.
You're recording young girls' asses. You
Ooh,
fucking
look at
weirdo.
this lady. Look how she is. Look at her.
You're recording minor girls' asses.
Look at her. Look at her,
You are
guys.
fucking weird.
This is what a Karen looks like. This is what a Karen looks like, guys,
This
right
is what
here.
a pedophile
Let me
looks
zoom
like.
up to her face right here. See her face right there, guys?
Fuck you.
I'll put it out there and you guys can see what this Karen. This is what a Karen looks like, guys.
He's recording minor girls' asses.
Yeah. I'm recording everything. You have no idea
Weird.
what I'm recording, big crybaby.
Fucking weird.
You're a crybaby
I
too.
will come break your fucking camera. You realize he's recording young girls' asses?
Such a crybaby. Karen.
He's
Karen
fucking
here.
weird, recording my daughter's ass?
Where'd she go here? Let's see the Karen here.
You're weird.
Let's
You're
see the
fucking
Karen.
Weird.
Call the cops then.
Going to-
Go ahead.
Shred.
This is public. Stupid. Try to learn laws. Try to learn something, stupid.
You're a pedophile.
Yeah, whatever you want to say, lady. And you're a Karen. How about that? You're a Karen that don't know how to control their emotions is what you are. Big crybaby Karen. There goes the Karen, guys. Yeah, there goes the Karen. Oh yeah. You know, guys, I try very hard to control what I say, all these things, but I'm sorry, when stuff like that goes down, you know. Well, there's old Karen calling the cops. Go ahead, lady. Go ahead. Go ahead, Karen. Go ahead. If it makes you feel better, go right ahead. All right. Looks like old Karen making a phone call over there. Well, come on, cops. Come on out here. I don't care. I'm recording anything I see at the boat ramp. Bring it. These guys are waiting on the trailer here, I think. So, we'll see what goes down here. All right, more in a few minutes, guys. All right. They're getting off the boat. I think I just missed that. Headed to get that trailer. All right, guys. I guess maybe that sheriff that just left here will have to come back again. Sea tow guy, pretty good guy. I talked to him a few times. Oh yeah. All right, guys, trailer coming in for this boat right here. Trying to make it down the ramp with it. Another trailer coming, guys. All right. More in a minute here. Not sure why I said that, but okay. Truck coming in for this one. All right. That might be the one that has this boat over here. Been sitting there for a while. It's starting to get dark here. They said about 3 o'clock the weather was supposed to go south here, and it's about 10 after 3 right now, so trailer coming in. All right. Platinum. Those are nice trucks. Well, I knew a guy that had one. I never had one, but okay. Coming in there. Another boat sliding through. Key West. Very nice. No, he's going for it. I like the flag, American flag. I can't believe all the people that died for our freedom, that people just, you know, shameful. Okay, he's trying there. right, Big Daddy, take it on in there. Yeah, it is a little warm, that's for sure. Pretty cool people there. I talked to them just a little bit. They were coming in. I don't normally do that. Uh-oh. Here comes the old sheriff. Let's see what goes down here. Yeah, bring it, sheriff boy. Bring it, sheriff baby. Bring it. All right, they getting it there, guys. We'll be ready. All right, they're almost out of here with this one. Okay. I'm right here, man. That sheriff took residency over there. He's going to sit over there and stare at me for a bit. All right, guys, they're making it out with this boat. All right. See you later, guys. See you later. Have fun. Have fun.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I know someone just came and talked to you, but some little girl came up to me and said that you were pointing the camera at her too.
I don't know who you're talking about. I don't know
No?
anything about it.
I gotcha. Well, just don't do anything weird out here, okay?
I'm not.
Okay. Well, it's just a little strange.
I was a little,
give
what,
you-
recording is strange?
I just want to give you fair warning, okay?
Fair warning about what?
You have a good one.
Fair warning about what? Fair warning about what? Hey, what's your name and badge number?
It's Wells 9764.
What's your name?
I
What?
said Wells.
Okay, Wells. Warning me about what? Huh? Warning me about what? Huh? Warning me about what? That's right. F you. Vote in here, guys. Vote in. Hey, guys. Hope you had fun out there. It's really a shame that police officers become the comfort police, you know? You feel like you need some comfort, call the police, I guess.